Hello friends, welcome to this unboxing video. We are going to unbox the Blue Snowball iCE variant. The microphone comes in two color options of black and white. I have ordered the black variant of it. The microphone is built on cardioid pickup pattern. That means that it can pick sound only from one direction. It can be connected using a USB cable, also got a tripod-like stand. The packaging says it got crystal clear sound for Skype, and it's amazing for professional podcasts, and also you would get brilliant quality for music instruments and vocals. So without waiting much, let's start unboxing this beauty. The packaging of the product was really average, but that is compensated by the amazing quality of this microphone that you would get at this price. This is the main unit of microphone. It's really well built, very aesthetic and very strong. It has got the micro USB port for connecting to your PC. It's a plug and play microphone. There is no configuration required, although you can go through the manuals and booklet provided for more information. The packaging includes a good quality micro USB to USB cable. And finally a really sturdy desktop stand for microphone. Thanks for watching the video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.